So here I have the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max plastic mock-up, and these devices are massive. So he has 6.3-inch display in the Pro and a massive 6.9-inch display in the Pro Max. Here's how 6.9-inch looks in front of last gen 6.7-inch 15 Pro Max. Here's how it looks in comparison to Samsung and OnePlus 6.8-inch displays. So definitely it's massive, might fit fine in large hands, but for small phone lovers, those who want a Pro, it's only a 6.3-inch Pro, which is slightly taller than 6.1-inch iPhone 16. The best part is we'll have same Pro Max grade specifications, including a 5x zoom periscope camera. Now in terms of the design, the 16 Pro looks similar to the 15 Pro. We have same front with no toolless side top and bottom chain. There's dynamic island with cool animations, titanium finish, rear got similar squarish module with triple cameras, flash and LiDAR sensor. Side got volume keys, an action button which can be now used to trigger different functions like turning on flashlight or translate, and yes, you guys can silent your device as well. So mute switch is now gone and we have an action button which you guys can customize from the settings. The shocking change is below the power key we have a capture button which is gonna be touch sensitive. So I guess it is gonna shoot instant photos and videos and will support gestures like can swipe or slide to turn on video or photo or switch between them. Some leaks are we may see two new colors, that is desert titanium and grey titanium. Rest of the specifications as per leaks are A18 Pro Bionic Chipset based on 3nm process with amazing power and power efficiency. There's gonna be a dedicated AI chip for on-device AI task, triple cameras with periscope zoom lens, no toolless side top and bottom chin, because according to the latest news coming in from Korea, Apple is working on ultra thin bezels aka BRS technology. This border reduction technology is gonna work by rolling up the internal copper wiring into a more compact package, and this will allow Apple to make the iPhone 16 look bezel-less by trimming down the bezels further. 120Hz ProMotion display, latest Wi-Fi and iOS 18 out of the box. Some leaks are we may see 40 watts of fast charging with larger battery size. So overall a huge jump in terms of the specifications. The highlight of this device is still taller display and that capture button. So this all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, share, subscribe and peace out.